guest, Dr. Nick Circolone. We are making meatballs, and they are the best around. Nick, it's so good to have
It's, you know, I'm so glad to do this because I have a lot of, this is like one of the things I like to do. But, you know, this is something that the guys can do for their wives. And this actually is a really good thing to do with your family, to decrease stress, to go out, make some food, eat food together, and have a family dinner. Because we're going to make it real simple. We have pork and ground beef. Now, it doesn't matter what you put in first. It doesn't matter if you put in the meat first. It doesn't matter if you put in the breadcrumbs first, as long as it's all together. And Jed's going to mix this up for me, and we're going to make some meatballs.
All right, this is simply made by the Italian way.
You got eggs,
on eggs.
breadcrumbs,
Wait, slow down.
breadcrumbs.
There are guys that are trying to this recipe.
This is parsley. Wait,
Let's do it one more time. We had meat.
pork, and beef. You can add veal if you want. Okay, half a pound of each. Then you add 3 eggs.
Yes.
You add a cup of breadcrumbs. You add half a cup of parsley and oregano.
Beautiful.
Salt and pepper to taste. Put a little bit of extra salt in there when you cook this in the
Bullet with kosher salt.
That's right. When you use a little bit of salt, when you put it in the sauce or your gravy, what happens is it'll feed into the gravy.
Right.
Now, my favorite condiment is crushed garlic. I love crushed garlic. This smells good.
In those crude little bottles.
Now, guys, if you do this for your wives, make sure that you brush your teeth first. And Parmesan cheese.
You know what? We should bring these staff guys around us.
I know. Come on, guys, come on up here. Well, yeah, Jason, give us some. Just what we want to do is kind of mix it up. Come on, guys.
We're all family here.
And you just want to mix it up. You don't want to touch it too much. Usually, it looks good, doesn't it? Don't worry about getting your hands in it. Not to touch this meat too much. Just kind of gently mix it up. That's good. And so, it's like, is that? All right. Now, don't make these little meatballs. Make man-sized meatballs.
You're killing me here, Nick. What you want to do? You want man-sized meatballs, right? Okay.
Yes. That's the size of a meatball.
Could be my last show.
That could be that's a meatball.
Everybody say that's a meatball. That's a meat.
Grab a handful.
All right.
Don't be afraid. You know, a lot of people are afraid to put the meatballs together and make these small ones.
I've never used gloves in my life.
Now, if you do this, the recipe that I have,
My nose is up running.
the recipe I have on my website, if you do this, you should make up to almost 30 meatballs.
We're making, oh wow.
30 nice size.
This would make Dino, and this would make everybody in Las Vegas very happy.
Now, the thing is, you got to listen to Frank Sinatra, you know, and if anybody's at LA, they got all the Ruthie records.
This is great stuff.
There's different ways of cooking it. The ones that I made, I actually baked. And if Dr. B, if you open that up, that's what they look like after they're cooked.
I know, I tried to.
You know what?
Work this. Ladies and gentlemen, yeah, everybody equal. We didn't get a shot of it first. Can we have a come on, this is incredible. Look at that.
So you come up here and grab one out.
Here, those are man-sized.
These are man-sized meatballs.
Yeah, grab some.
These look man-sized. Hey, listen,
Come up here, able to.
come on.
What's the thing?
Oh, I can taste one of these too.
So deep. No Travis Tritt.
Now remember, don't make small meatballs. You know, serve 2 of these with any special sauce that you want to make.
Cracks on the reel. That is the best ball I've ever eaten.